Hello dear friends. Today I will show you how to quickly and easily edit your Instagram story after you've created it, ensuring it looks perfect for your audience. First, we need to open Instagram and then press the option to add a story. After that, we have the photos we need, or the camera. We add our photo and write a welcome text to caption it. Next, we carefully add this photo to our story, and then we publish it by agreeing to all the terms and conditions. Next, we click on our story once more. Select the More option, and here we find a useful function called Save that allows us to keep our content. Click on this Save function, and here it shows options to save the photo. By selecting this, you can easily save our photo directly to your device. Saved in the Chamber gallery. After that, we need to move on to adding captivating photos and weaving in engaging stories that will resonate with our audience. We see our story here with the word hi, after which we can write another word. This is how we meticulously edited our story to enhance its clarity, flow, and overall impact. So friends, after that, click add, and here you have edited the story. Thank you, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment if this was helpful. I have my way. See you soon, friends.